Howdy there, electric mandolin pickers and western swing fans. Welcome back for another Tiny Moore Tuesday. Today I'm taking a small Tiny Moore tidbit from a great concert that was aired on television back in 1978. It was a celebration of 50 years of country music hosted by Dolly Parton, and it's super special because it's a tribute to the music of the Texas Playboys, spearheaded by the great Merle Haggard. Hag was a huge fan of the Texas Playboys, friends with Bob Wills, and employed many of the Texas Playboys in his band, The Strangers, over the years, as I'm sure all of you know. But this concert is legendary. If you haven't seen the footage on YouTube yet, please go look it up and order that DVD. This is one that you're going to want to keep in the archives, folks. The snippet that I'm playing for you here today was taken from their version of Ida Red, and it is super duper hot. This is one of those breaks that you can definitely transpose into any other key. Tiny uses a lot of open strings on this one, so you might want to keep it to your keys like E, A, D, G, etc. And we also get to use a lot of that low C string. So we finally get our money's worth out of that 5 string, right, y'all? All right. Before we go ahead and dive into the breakdown on this one, if you wouldn't mind clicking that subscribe button, liking this video, that's a great way to support these videos and keep more Tiny Moore Tuesdays headed your way. Also, if you'd like a PDF of some sheet music and tablature for this one, go ahead and check out HayesGriffin.com. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and dive in.